Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered how satellites, those tiny dots orbiting our planet, manage to stay in space, avoid collisions, and continue working for years? Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of satellites, how they're positioned, controlled, maintained, and kept safe from harm. It all starts with the launch. Rockets carry satellites into space, aiming for specific orbits. Whether it's a low Earth orbit for communications, or a geostationary orbit to monitor weather, precision is everything. Once the satellite separates from the rocket, onboard thrusters take over to fine-tune its position. Satellites are equipped with propulsion systems, like ion thrusters or chemical engines, to make these adjustments. Ground control teams monitor every move, ensuring the satellite reaches its designated spot. Speaking of ground control, this is where the magic of satellite operation happens. Using radio waves, ground stations send commands to adjust a satellite's orientation, change its orbit, or manage its instruments. Satellites have onboard systems like reaction wheels and gyroscopes to maintain their orientation. These tools help them stay perfectly aligned for their missions, whether it's pointing a camera at Earth or a dish at a communication hub. But what happens when things go wrong? Maintenance in space is a challenge. While most satellites are designed to operate autonomously with minimal need for repairs, some high-value assets, like the Hubble Space Telescope, have been serviced by astronauts. Today, robotic missions are being tested to refuel and repair satellites, paving the way for more cost-effective solutions in the future. One of the biggest challenges satellites face is avoiding collisions. Space is crowded, with thousands of satellites and millions of debris pieces orbiting Earth. How do we keep them safe? Organizations track every object in orbit using radar and telescopes. If a collision risk is detected, satellites can perform avoidance maneuvers to steer clear of danger. When satellites reach the end of their lives, they're often moved to a graveyard orbit or deorbited to burn up in Earth's atmosphere, minimizing space debris. Ensuring safety in space is a global effort. International organizations and agreements work to manage space traffic, reduce debris, and promote responsible satellite use. From launch to operation, maintenance to collision avoidance, satellites represent the pinnacle of human engineering and cooperation. They connect our world, study our planet, and explore the universe. The next time you see a satellite streak across the night sky, you'll know just how much goes into keeping it there.